2023 has been a crazy year, and with so much more AI progress on the horizon, in 2024, we are counting down our top AI tools we use this year. All these tools are verified by us, and we've been using them for months. Whether you spend all your day working on the computer or just a couple of hours, these will definitely make your life easier. The first tool we have been using is targeted at everybody who wants to build web applications without any prior coding experience and knowledge. Meet Bubble, your gateway to the tech world without coding barriers. This tool helps you with building web apps effortlessly with a drag-and-drop interface. It's a game changer for innovators, entrepreneurs, and pretty much everybody who has a great idea but no skills in this field. There is, of course, a free option, but if you are really serious about building something to last and expanding your business on the internet, you might want to opt out for one of the subscriptions that range from $29 a month all the way up to $350 a month. It all depends on what you intend to use it for, so I would strongly recommend visiting their website and checking all the available options. You can find the link to their website, as well as any other tool we talk about, in the description below. The second tool, and probably the one I've been privately using the most this year, is HitPaw. This bad boy is a lifesaver for all those blurry photos you want to make clearer so you can post them on Instagram. It is full of user-friendly tools that are powered by AI, making your experience as good as possible. Whether you need to remove a watermark so you can use the photo in your school or job presentation, or you need to upscale your videos, this is a great tool for you. Throughout this year, there was a trend of retouching old family photos with AI, something HitPaw can also help you with. So, with just a couple of clicks, you can see how that old grainy brown photo of your great-grandparents would look if it was taken today. Even though nothing we recommend here is sponsored, we really urge you to give it a try and at least play with it a bit. You might be pleasantly surprised with everything it can do. The next tool is something that I learned about a couple of days ago through a friend of mine, and honestly, I don't know why I didn't use it earlier. We have all seen way too many calendar apps that have a goal of boosting your productivity and turning your life around overnight. But I don't know. This one might just take the cake. I'm talking about Motion, and to describe it, it's enough to take 2 sentences from their website, like a calendar, unlike any calendar you've ever seen. This is an awesome personal productivity assistant that lets you prioritize tasks, schedule things, and block any distractions. For me, this has been a game changer in my time management, and I would strongly recommend checking it out. The only downside is its pricing, which will come out at around $35 a month and around $19 if you choose to pay it annually. So make sure you really need it if you plan on paying that much. Our next tool is targeted at everyone who is doing anything to do with data monitoring. Browse AI is dedicated to extract, monitor, and collect data from various websites. And along with this, it provides you with real-time insights and notifications. I don't think there is a point in going into who can benefit from this, but if it sounds appealing to you, definitely check it out. Its prices range from around $20 a month up to $250 a month, all billed annually. And what kind of AI tool video would this be if we didn't mention Notion? I won't talk too much about it, as probably everybody knows about it by now, but because I have heard a lot of good things about it, I can't keep it off the list. Most people think of Notion as a mere note-taking app, but it goes beyond that. It works as your AI-infused workspace that mixes in notes, tasks, databases, and wikis all in one. It helps you stay organized and is made to boost your productivity. Unlike some other tools we talked about, Notion has a free option that you can use, but you won't be getting their fancy AI in that mix. If you opt out for the subscription, it will set you back at around $8 per month, all the way up to $15 a month per user. And as I always like to end on a strong note, we got Kittl for you. Kittl is a platform for all the creatives in the world, be it you work in a creative field or you just like to make things for yourself. With its integrated AI, Kittl breathes life into your designs, graphics, logos, and illustrations. They have a lot of templates you can choose from, making your creative journey even easier. If you visit their website, you can find a lot of big names that are popular in a bunch of different markets that use Kittl in their creative endeavors. You can use advanced text editing, magic recoloring, and lots of AI-powered design tools and mockups. They also offer a free option, just so they give you a taste of all the possibilities. But don't expect you will be able to do a lot with it, because it does come with its limitations. If you want to jump in and pay for a serious subscription, it will cost you at least $10 a month with free AI until the end of the year. If you are looking for more AI options, then we would recommend going to their website and choosing the option that looks the best for you, because prices can range greatly. And that would be all our tools we can't live without. Honestly, we use all of these on a daily basis, in office and our personal life, and we hope you will start using at least one of them too. They really help in automating day-to-day tasks and just make your life easier. Dive into a future where AI isn't just a buzzword, it's the force reshaping your daily life. If you want to know about some tools that are all about boosting your productivity up to 10 times than where it is now, check out this video. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on our future gems. See you in the next video.